Welcome back, students. This is the Q&A session 5 from the playlist of IIT JE Mains Physics Part 1. The topic for this session is relative error, and today I have taken one question which was asked in the IIT JE Mains examination in the year 2018, and this question is based on this topic. So the question here is, the relative error in the measurement of mass and length of a solid cube is 1.5% and 1% respectively. Then the maximum error in the determination of density is. So there are four options here and we have to find the correct option. So the relative error in the measurement of mass and length of a solid cube is given as 1.5% and 1% respectively. But this error which they have mentioned here is the percentage error. And what is percentage error? Percentage error is equal to relative error multiplied by 100. So this is the percentage error, and percentage error is what? That is equal to the relative error multiplied by 100. Now we know that the density of a cube is given by mass upon volume. So if the length of one side of a cube is L, then I can write this formula as m upon L cube, where L is the length of each side of the cube. So delta D upon D will be equal to delta M upon M plus, this is L cube, so this will be equal to 3 times delta L upon L. Now what is here delta D? Delta D is the absolute error in the measurement of D. D means density. D is the density of the cube. Delta M is the absolute error in the measurement of the mass, and M is the mass of the cube, and delta L is the absolute error in the measurement of length, and L is the length of each side of the cube. So basically this D, M and L, these are the true values. So delta D upon D, this is called the relative error. Delta M upon M is the relative error in the measurement of mass. Delta L upon L is the relative error in the measurement of length, and delta D upon D is the relative error in the measurement of density. So if I multiply this equation on both sides by 100, what I will get? I will get delta D upon D into 100. This will be equal to delta M upon M into 100 plus 3 times delta L upon L into 100. Okay? So this is the equation which I have got by multiplying this equation by 100 on both the sides. So from this equation, now this delta D by D into 100 is what? That percentage error is equal to the relative error multiplied by 100. So this is the relative error multiplied by 100, so it becomes the percentage error. So delta D upon D into 100 into 100, this is equal to delta M upon M into 100. Now delta M upon M into 100 is already given as is equal to see, the relative error in the measurement of mass and length of a solid cube is 1.5% and 1% respectively. So delta M upon M into 100 is equal to 1.5%. Okay? Because this is the percentage error in the measurement of mass, and the percentage error in the is equal to delta M upon M into 100, which is equal to 1.5 plus 3 times delta L upon L into 100. So this is equal to 1%. So this is equal to 4.5%. Now delta D upon D into 100 is what? This is the percentage error, or we can also say that this is the relative error which is expressed in percentage. So delta D upon D is the percentage error in the measurement of density, and this is equal to 4.5%. So our correct option is C. So this was a very easy question which was asked in the JEE mains examination, and in fact I will say that this question is of the level of the board examination. Board examination के level का question है जो कि JEE Mains के exam में पूछा गया था. So I hope you have understood the solution of this question. ठीक है, and the correct answer is 4.5%. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with different question, but the topic will be the errors in measurement. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.